What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Just want to do a quick hit here and show you this ball marker repair tool. It's got a ball marker and it's a divot repair tool. And this is by Craftsman Golf, one of my favorite brands. They make just some cool stuff, you know, just not utilitarian stuff, but stuff that looks cool. It has a lot of personality. And man, this looks like a bomb, like a shark nose on it, man. It looks so patriotic. First of all, this thing is, I don't know what kind of alloy, but this is thick. That is like 4 or 5 millimeters thick. It's got some weight to it. This is not going to break. You can even see that it kind of thins out here, gets very pointy. So when you want to get in there, fix that ball mark, that divot, you can do that, no problem. You've got the shark mouth here, so you can pop open a cool beverage, you know, anything you want to keep cool, Tommy. And then right here, this little stars and stripes is pretty nice because it's a ball marker. So we get the little red, white, and blue there. And the other thing that's cool about this is we have the magnet right here in the middle, but this whole area out here, this little moat around the magnet is all cut out. So when this is in there, I don't have to find the opening where I can push down on this and lift it out. I can do it from any direction. So it's really easy to reach down here and get it very quickly. Man, that is just a tight fit in there. So you can definitely do that. And if you wanted to put this in the ground, kind of just shove it into the ground and then put your stogie or something like that on top, or if the grass is wet, you can kind of jam this in the ground, and this little round curved area can hold your putter above the ground or your wedge so that your grip doesn't get wet. So lots of cool stuff that you can use this for, but man, this is pretty cool. I just wanted to give you a quick hit of this because if you want to pick this up because you want to keep your grips dry, your ball marked, your divots fixed, or just show a lot of patriotic style, this is the tool that you want. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever, thanks to Peter Von Panda.